Let's create one flat icon using shapes. So here I am creating one home icon. So with the help of rectangle tools and rounded rectangle tools. So just follow the steps and follow the process you can use to create your icons. So here with the help of pathfinder I am trimming a front object. So that is minus front. So now you can see the overlapped object is erased, or you can call it as deleted. So then by using shapes, keep on adding and keep on detailing your icons. So if you want to take a reference, you can take a lot more reference images from a Google, or if you want to make your own flat icons, you can create your own flat icons according to your ideas. Now here you can see the final product of home or home button. So now start adding windows. So do small detailing for your icons. So just continue the process. So once the icon design is done, you can add background colors, background gradients or background any abstract designs to make colorful or to look colorful. Now you can see the final product of your flat icon. So this is our final product.